So, hi Vikas, how are you?
Hi,
Welcome
sir.
here.
Hi, sir. Fine. Nice to see you.
Great. So, first of all, heartiest congratulations for getting your job with Infosys. So, how it feels like?
It's feel great, sir. And this is happened because of the I am Edita is stand behind me like a younger brother. Sorry, like a older brother. So it cannot happen without the guidance of people like you, Sugan sir, and all the teachers and mentors are from I am Edita.
Okay. So, earlier you were working with Tata Communications, right? You got a better opportunity with Infosys. So, what percentage of hike you got here in Infosys after the course?
Sir, like regarding the salary, before 6 months, I was in Tata Communication. So at that time, I got a 3.6 lakh per annum salary. Now I'm in Infosys, so it will be reach up to 8 lakh per annum. So more
Okay,
than 100% hike I got within 6 months.
great. So, why iMedita? What was the reason you picked iMedita over others?
Sir, actually, like I have a experience with different institute in Pune regarding the networking. When I was learn means if I told you like before reaching to the iMedita, I done the CCNA from two different institute, but after from their experience, I didn't feel like they are not means teaching are great. Everyone is sharing his experience is very well, but like behavior or the I made the people like treat as a family. So this is the different feel for me, and this is the different perspective I got it from the iMedita. Like in iMedita, they teach us a theory as well as a more concentrate on the practicals. So this is the more beneficiary for the student. So that's why the iMedita.
Okay. And what helped you most crack this Infosys interview and you got the offer? Like how you prepared for the interview, how much time you spend with the preparation during the training, how much time you spend with the lab. So, what helped you most to crack this interview?
Sir, mostly I am the student of the CCI Security Integrated from iMedita. Actually, when I am preparation for the Infosys interview, so at that time they mostly asking the questions regarding the practical basis. So I'm when I'm going to the preparation of the Infosys interview. So at that time whatever the question they ask near about 90 to 99% question which is teaches from the syllabus or the book set by the iMedita people like teachers from teachers. So it is very easy for me to crack the interview from the Infosys. None of the questions not Infosys ask except the syllabus set by the iMedita peoples. So this is
How,
the most.
how much time you spend during the classes, after the class, how much time you spend with the practicals, self study? So, on a general basis, average, how much time you spend on daily basis?
Sir, actually, when I was working, so at that time, I have joined the weekend classes from iMedita because due to the daily routine of the company, it is not possible to me because it is always general shift from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So at that time, as per my self study, due to this COVID period, I study from morning 7 to 9 a.m. After the 9 a.m., I'm doing my office work, and after 6 p.m. I'm doing near about 4 to 5 hours study every day up to the 12 morning like night 12 a.m. up to I was study. But during the training period, I was done 2 hour on Saturday and 2 hour classes attend in the iMedita. After that whole day, I'm sitting in the iMedita to perform the practicals. Also, the iMedita people also help me to install the Eve like software. So from which I am doing the practicals during my during at homes.
Okay. So how was your overall experience with iMedita? If you have to mention three things which you liked about iMedita, like how you mention those things, like how was your overall experience and what were the three things you liked about the iMedita's training?
Like it is not mentioned like only three things. Each and everything is very 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 good. Out of 10 I will give you the out of 10 marks to the iMedita, because they have a good teaching faculty, they have a all equipped lab, and more than that they have a good people. So these all if you like to mention these three things, then these three things are very very important during the any training institute.
And how you are learning nowadays, like you have already completed your course, you got a job. Now what are your future plans? Are you planning on some other technologies? Are you learning by
Yeah,
yourself?
yeah. As per my future planning, I want to do my career in the security. So now from Infosys they push me to certification like JNCI, JNCI,
Certificate.
like Palo Alto certification. They want to do from my end. So they provide each and everything. They are ready to sponsor me. So my next steps towards security plus cloud. So I am going to start a courses from iMedita for the security and the clouds, like AWS.
Okay, great. Any suggestions and message to individuals who are beginners and planning to explore career opportunities in networking domain from your experience? Because earlier you were working with Tata, you prepare for the interviews, you did courses, you spent sufficient time with the labs. Okay, you got new opportunities. So, any suggestion message to individuals who are planning to build career into IT networking domain?
Yeah, my suggestion for the individual, like if you want to do your career in a networking, then don't go anywhere blindly. You go to the iMedita, you spend your time, give your time. Within 3 to 4 months, you will get a definitely good job in a networking field from the iMedita. It's I am the 200% sure. And for as my personal experience, near about 10 to 15 people from my family or my from colleagues friends, they always call to me and ask about the iMedita. I directly told him like, go to the iMedita and give your some time. They will definitely give you the 100% job from the iMedita in a networking domain. It's a very 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 good institute from Pune, like it is from biggest institute from the India.
Great. Thank you for your valuable comments. Any other message to individuals in terms of preparation? How much time they should spend with the study? How much time they should spend with the labs and self study? Any message in that?
Yeah, as far as the networking, how means for the professional, at least for the professional means those who are in the already in the job, as you know, like they are busy with his daily activity with the office and all that thing. Minimum give 2 hours in a day. But those are the freshers, those are the freshers not working in anywhere and want to do the career into the networking. Then always my personal suggestion is that whenever you are at room or you are leaving location, so at that time you cannot concentrate on that. So at that time my personal suggestion is that go to the iMedita, sitting there as soon as much as possible time you want to spend there. So at least 5 to 6 hours you must give for the study, means if you are not a working in anywhere.
Great, great. Thank you, Vikas. Thank you for your valuable comment. Thank you for sharing your experience with us. We wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you for your suggestion. Nowadays, where I am, it's because of your suggestion. Sugan sirs are there, as well as a teaching faculty are there. And as I remember that things when some one issue is happen with me, you are also well aware. Sugan sir is also well aware. So at that time, Sugan sir give me the commitment like within 2 months you will be get a job. But you also know like not in 2 months, within 15 days I have a 3 offers in my hand. So
Right.
thanks
So,
for your suggestion.
issue was like you got an opportunity when you were working with Tata with one
Yeah,
organization. That
right.
organization gave you offer letter and everything. They gave you joining. You complete the notice period, and before
Yeah,
one day
sir.
of the joining, this organization they said they are going to cancel your offer letter. Right? This was the issue.
Right, right, sir. Right,
Next
sir.
1 month, I remember you were in a different situation. You were panic because you have a lot of responsibilities. You have family,
Yeah, sir.
and then
Yeah.
I remember you spent 12 hours 13 hours in the lab area. You did all the revision study classes. I remember more
Yes, sir.
than 12-15 hours you spent with the self study, and within a month you were able to get 3 offers, right?
Yeah, yeah, sir. Also, one thing I want to share with individual like Sugan sir commit me like, and you also like you will get minimum 10 lakh per annum in next 5 years, but it's magical. Like within 6 months, I reach up to 8 lakh from the 3 lakh
It's all your hard work.
within 6 months.
It's all your dedication. You have given your best and you have the results. We wish you all the very best, Vikas. All the very best for future endeavors.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Vikas. Thank you for your time.